Alright, this is a continuation to the video I just shot talking about base saturation. Paul, I just read your question. And how important it is to get over 4%? It's very important. I think it's, again, going back to ratios, potassium to magnesium ratios, potassium to calcium ratios. We're looking for magnesium levels in that 12 to 14%. 15% would be top of the line. We're looking at calcium levels to be in that around 70%. So we're dealing with ratios here tied to bushels. Ratios tied to bushels. Not necessarily pounds tied to bushels, but we want to see ratio interactions. So if we're going to go from 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, how do those ratios interact with each other? In order, from what I've seen, to efficiently raise from a base saturation standpoint, raise 300 bushel corn, yes, you're going to have to look at 4% or higher. And for us, again, like I said in the prior video, we do as much as we can on the planter. Our in season we do it foliar. 318-18, we use 0024, a potassium acetate. It's a 7.4 pH product, so we'll foliar feed that. For us, we're just trying to do as much as we can with the equipment that we have, putting liquid fertilizer on the planter and foliar feeding. But I will say that yes, in order to find these higher levels and create a new normal, I think that's what you need to be after. Is if your normal is 250, you need to get out of that funk and look for creating a new normal. Your new normal should be 275, 300. That's what we want to try to look at, is how do we raise farm averages. So the decision comes back to you, dry or liquid, but you're going to have to, from the standpoint of soil reports, yes, I can tell you that higher yields will reflect higher potassium base saturation levels, over 4%. For us, we are going to heavily incorporate biologicals, the bio-red chemistry, with our growers and begin to watch those levels rise 3-4 years. We're not going to use dry. We're not going to harm the soil biology, the microbes, the biologicals through salt-based fertilizers, chloride, chlorine. We want something that's safe for the environment as much as possible. So we are going to try to do that with putting on liquid. So Paul, this is kind of a part 2 answer to your question. Hope it answers your question and gives everybody insight to what we're talking about. So thank you again for watching.